What can be seen as a big respite for UP Chief Minister Mayawati, the Supreme Court has refused to interfere in the ongoing work for installation of statues of the UP Chief Minister and other Dalit leaders in a Noida park. That's the latest news coming in. The Supreme Court has refused to interfere in the installation of statues of Mayawati in a Noida park. Now remember, the Supreme Court had earlier given Mayawati time to explain why she was blatantly spending public money to set up memorials for herself. For more, we're joined by Rhythm, who joins us from New Delhi. Rhythm, tell us what the Supreme Court has said.
Well, that is right. The Supreme Court today did refuse to interfere in the ongoing work for the installation of Mayawati statue in Noida Park. Now, the Supreme Court had raised this question in open court today. Who are we to interfere when the Assembly, the UP Assembly, has already given them this particular money to be spending on the installation of these statues? This did not, of course, go down well with the petitioners. They came out of the court and said this is we might be in contempt of court, but we are dissatisfied with the court order because the court declined. The court declined to interfere in the ongoing work of the installation of Mayawati statue in Noida. Now, clearly, when Mayawati's counsel, S.C. Mishra, came out, he said that we will be filing our reply on the main petition in a couple of weeks. In that, we will be clarifying how the money is being spent. And he also clarified that this was not public money that was being spent in the installation of this statue in Noida. He said that the court was right not to interfere. Clearly, this is a relief to Mayawati's government and Mayawati as of now, as already the court had taken cognizance of the fact a couple of weeks back that crores of rupees had been spent on erecting statues of Mayawati and Kashiram all over UP. Some days back, now in a couple of days, in a couple of weeks, the Mayawati's government will be having to file its reply in the Supreme Court on the main petition. Today, the court refused to interfere in this interim application. The court has in fact said that this interim application can be heard with the main application, which is dealing and focusing with the crores of rupees that have been spent by Mayawati's government on erecting statues of her and Kashiram all over UP. Let's remember, in the petition that's filed in the main matter that has to come up is that there is also a contention that 60 elephant statues that have been installed all over UP are installed at a cost of over rupees 50 crore. The petitioner in his petition contends that this is public money, it is from public funds, and it should not be utilized in this manner. Clearly, however, today, Niharika, the court did go on to say that the Chief Justice of India did question him as to how can the court interfere in a matter when an assembly has already given that money to a particular reason and for a particular reason for the erection of the statues. The court said that we can only interfere in a matter if there is some disappropriation of money or some breach. When there are these issues, the court will not interfere. That is the reason today the court declined to interfere in this interim application. The court went on to say they will not interfere in the ongoing work of the installation of the statue of Mayawati in Noida Park and other Dalit leaders in Noida Park as of now.
Right, in fact, in many ways, like you were mentioning, this would be a victory for Mayawati, especially considering the amount of debate there's been over her move to erect statues of herself, with her being publicly criticized by top leaders like P. Chidambaram.
Niharika, you are right in some way. This is definitely relief for Mayawati's government and Mayawati. In fact, her lawyer, Mr. S.C. Mishra, who was here, did say that the court is finally seeing the truth and the fact that they cannot interfere in a matter when an assembly has already given the money for the installation of these statues. So clearly there is some respite for Mayawati. However, Mr. Mishra did go on to say that they are going to be filing their reply in a couple of weeks. In fact, even in open court the other day when the matter was being heard, Mr. S.C. Mishra, Mayawati's counsel, had said that they will be raising a lot of issues of other political parties and the amount of money the other political parties have spent on erection of statues and parks all over the country. So he did say and reiterated today that that is an issue that will be brought up when they will be filing their reply to the Supreme Court in the main matter. As that is going to be happening, he did say today clearly that the Supreme Court has correctly said, and he pointed out, Mayawati's counsel pointed out, Supreme Court has correctly said that the court will not interfere in a matter when there is no disappropriation of money, neither is there any breach here.
All right, Rhythm, thanks very much indeed for joining us with those details.